Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing, and thank you so much for clicking to watch. This rice right here is one of those recipes that you see it, you try it, and you simply have to keep the recipe. It tastes incredibly delicious. Come on in and let's begin. In a hot pan, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Let it heat up and then go in with your chopped onions. I'll fry the onions until they are soft, and as I always say, make sure it has released all its beautiful juices into the oil, and in the process I'll go ahead and separate them to single out as well. Once that is done, I popped in some bay leaves, stirred it up, and then let it cook. Next, my dear, we will be adding our chopped smoked turkey. This recipe, my dear, I truly believe in it. It never fails, and I hope you actually get some smoked turkey and try this. You would fall in love with this, I promise. Next, to go in add some minced ginger and green seasoning tablet. I will go ahead now and mix this up so that the smoked turkey get a chance to get soaked in these beautiful flavors. As you may know, smoked turkey contains a little bit of salt, so be mindful of how much salt you add at this stage. I will pop in some green habanero pepper to give it that needed kick. Yes, so I'll now add in seasoning tablets and then stir all these gorgeous flavors together. It is giving out such a nice smoky flavor. If you are new to the channel, I hope you consider to join us, and also importantly activating your bell icon so that when I upload you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Now take a look at this. The turkey, the onions, and all the other beautiful flavors have released beautiful juice, and now it's a good time to add our washed up rice. The rice goes in, and my dear, you want to give it like 4 minutes and toast the rice in this beautiful turkey sauce. Na enye kama. Yes, so I'm going to toast it for about 4 minutes. Please, if you can, do not skip this process, because in a hurry I made the same thing once without toasting the rice and the difference was clear. So now I stick to toasting the rice for a while. I added a little bit of salt, and now I'll go in with my water. Enough just to loosen up the rice, but again, it depends on the kind of rice that you are using. I will stir it up and then cover it to cook. And please let me remind you that when you get your smoked turkey, it is best to take off the skin before you use it for this recipe. And before you forget, let me kindly remind you to leave a like on the page. Thank you. After a while, I came back. Just look at how beautiful this rice looks. I went in to stir everything up so it cooks up evenly, and before I covered it, I added a bit of chopped green peppers as well. This is so quick and easy to put together. Sometimes when I come back from work tired, I am still able to put this together quickly and leave it for the kids for the next day. It is so simple. After the green bell peppers, I stirred it, and now I'm going to cover. And the next time we open this, it would have cooked to perfection. This is simple. Upgraded Anwamo. That's how I call this. It looks absolutely delicious. I hope you are really able to try this. I promise you would come back and leave me a comment. Yes, it gives it a distinctive smoky flavor That is just so beautiful. You would love this. Give it a try. Leave a like on the video. Please subscribe and kindly activate your bell icon for me. Do that for me, my dear, and I'll see you in my next upload. Until then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.